OpenAI just dropped Soul inside of ChatGPT, and head-to-head against the most expensive AI models out there, it's basically a tie at a third of the price. The gurus are already selling courses that promise you a $10,000 a month Soul business by Friday on a tool that nobody's got real numbers on yet. I've made money online for years without any of it. You can wait for their course, or you can build your first product before this video ends. In about 2 minutes, you'll watch one built from a sentence, and if you stay, Soul writes the sales page live in 30 seconds. Now, you're probably watching this after a shift, wondering if this new AI tool is actually something, or just more headlines. And maybe you're wondering whether everybody else is already ahead of you. They're not, it's brand new. And I'm not gonna teach you how to code, and you don't need to know how any of this works. The money was never in the AI tool, it's in what you already know from your job. Soul just turns that into something a stranger would actually pay for. So if you're already thinking, my job's nothing special, nobody would pay for what I do all day, that's a thought I'm going to prove wrong today. Soul is the newest, smartest version of ChatGPT. You type what you want, no code, no tech, and it just makes it. It sits on the paid version of ChatGPT for about $20 a month. And I'd rather tell you that now so that you don't find out later. It's not the best at everything either, and a guru saying otherwise just wants to sell you a course. But at turning what you know into something you can sell, it's really, really good. Everything else, the guru course, the client hunting, the $10,000 a month promise, it's a distraction from that. And so here's the 4 steps. It's the whole thing. Step 1, name a skill you already have. Step 2, describe the problem it solves like you're texting a friend. Step 3, Soul makes it. Step 4, you price it and sell it. Now watch this. Every sentence I type in this video is in a free worksheet at notes.platformproof.com word for word. Drop your email once and you've got access to all of it. And do this now so I can read it. Drop the thing you're good at in the comment section. Your job, your side gig, the stuff people at work always ask you to explain. Every time I ask what's stopping you, the same answer comes back. I don't know what I'd make. Hold that thought because that's the thing we're fixing today 5 different ways. And I'm saving my favorite, which is number 4, for last because it used to cost thousands of dollars in developer fees. Way number 1. Say you've driven a truck for years and there's something you've never charged for. You know what the first 90 days on the road feel like, right down to the stuff that no one tells you at orientation. So I typed in, build me a first 90-day survival guide for a new trucker, plus a clean logbook and an hours of service cheat sheet for the cab. Watch this. And Soul makes it on the screen. It's a full chartered guide, the logbook, the cheat sheet, all laid out like something you'd actually pay for. It came from one sentence. The buyer is the guy in week 1 who passed the CDL last week and is quietly terrified about the next 3 months. He pays because that fear is real, and nobody at the company is holding his hand. What makes it a good pick is that nobody can undercut you on it, because they haven't sat where you sat for those first 90 days. Starting out, a first version could go for $19. If it's done well, with your own routes and your hard-earned mistakes baked in, a guide like this could sell for $69 a copy. Now here's the catch. Soul only formats it. Your lived details and experience is the real value. If you feed it generic information, that's what it hands back. So who finds it? People like you. You post one 3-minute video answering the exact question new drivers type into YouTube, drop your link under it, and a few buy without you ever really needing to talk to them. That's how you sell it, and it works the same way across all 5. And that terrified guy in week 1 finally stops facing it alone. Way 2 is where the money gets bigger. Say you've been a contractor long enough to price a job in your head. Most new guys can't do that, and it's bleeding them dry. I typed in, build me a renovation estimate calculator a homeowner or green contractor could fill in to price a job without underbidding. And it makes the working calculator right there in front of you. You plug in square footage, materials, labor, and your margin, and it hands back a number you can trust. 2 kinds of people are going to buy this. New contractors who keep underbidding, and homeowners who want to know a quote is fair before they sign. It sells because what scares new guys the most is guessing wrong on a bid. And this hands them a number they can stand behind. Every contractor needs this one, but almost none of them will build it themselves, and so the buyers sit there waiting. Starting out, this is $29. With your regional numbers dialed in, a calculator like this could climb towards $79. The catch is you sanity check the math yourself because a calculator that's wrong even once is dead on arrival. Soul builds a sheet, you just eyeball it against one job you've already sold. The underbidding that's been sinking new guys is completely gone. Now, maybe none of these 5 is your exact job. And the question I constantly get is, so what's mine? That's why I made make.platformproof.com. It's the first link below. All you gotta do is tell it what you're good at, and it hands you back a specific product you could make this weekend, plus the sentence you typed to build it. It's free, and that's how I found these 5. I already ran the same experiment with a $6 AI and built 5 products in 11 minutes. That video's on your screen now. Don't jump yet, save it for after this one because number 4 is the one I promised you. Here's why the speed matters so much to me. I'm a slow builder, I've always been. The stuff you watch Soul do in one sentence, I used to lose entire weekends to. I'd get an idea on Friday, and by Sunday night I'd have a half-broken version and a headache. And I told myself I wasn't technical enough to do this. There was a long stretch where I just stopped starting things at all because I was tired of watching Sunday Night Me quit on Friday Night Me. That's the part nobody warns you about. It's not the tools that keep you stuck. You stop trying. Then one evening after work, I sat down with a newer tool and had a product finished and priced before dinner, all in one sitting. And I sat there a little stunned because the lost weekend I braced for never came. That was the day it stopped being a weekend project and became an afternoon after work project start to finish. Every tool closes the gap a little more, and this newest one did it in about a minute what used to take me a whole weekend. So when a guru tells you you're behind, get clear on what they're actually saying. It's not that everybody suddenly got smarter, the idea was never the problem. What stopped was turning it into something somebody would actually pay for. And that part got easy. Way number 3 is office work. Picture the person sitting in the parking lot before their first big interview, sick to their stomach. That's a buyer with a whole paycheck on the line. And say you're the HR manager who's actually sat through 1,000 interviews from the hiring side. So I hand Soul one sentence. Outline an interview prep mini course for someone about to face their first real job interview, with a lesson list and a slide for each one. And Soul drafts the entire outline, lesson by lesson, slides and all. Buyers would pay good money to not fumble it because the job they're chasing is worth thousands of dollars over the years. What makes this a strong pick is that the buyer's upside is huge, and so they don't blink at the price. A simple version could sell for $27 to start. Recorded properly with your voice and your war stories in it, a course like this could sit at $59 a copy. Here's one warning though, Soul drafts it, but you record your voice on top. Nobody can copy the 15 years you spent watching people pass and fail across that desk. And you already know this cold from the hiring side, so really all you're doing is handing it over in a form that they can actually follow. Now the parking lot nerves turn into a game plan. Way number 5 comes next, and yes, 5 before 4, because I told you 4 I'm saving for last. The first reaction everyone has to this one is, won't people just make their own? I want you to remember that because it's the reason this actually sells. Say you run a restaurant or you manage one. The whole opening and closing routine lives in your head. I typed in, build me an opening and closing checklist plus a staff scheduling system a new restaurant manager could run on day 1 without missing a step. Soul makes the whole system. Here you get the opening checklist, the closing checklist, and the scheduling template. The buyer is every new manager handed the keys who wants to look like they've run the place for years on day 1. Owners will buy this too to hand to every new buyer. Make it for one specific kind of restaurant though, and there's almost nothing else like it. You're the only option a stressed new manager actually finds when they go looking. Early on, this one's $25. Made for one kind of kitchen, a system like this could run steady for $49. Here's where people mess up though. A checklist for any restaurant is worth nothing to everyone. Make it for one kind of kitchen, one kind of shift, and no, they won't make their own for the same reason they don't cook every meal at home. They'll happily pay $25 to skip the headache. So you post a short video answering what new managers type into YouTube, drop one link under it, and a few will buy. And yes, you could post this where your people gather, a restaurant manager Facebook group, a subreddit, but that's just backup. Your own channel is the engine that sells this. Day 1, keys in hand, and nobody can tell it's the new manager's first real shift. And now we're at number 4, the one I said I was saving. You're a financial analyst, or maybe you're the person at work who's good at spreadsheets and everybody knows it. I typed in, build me a cash flow forecast tool a small business owner with no finance background could fill in to see whether they're about to run out of money. Watch this one get made. Soul builds a working tool color-coded in plain language, forecasting 12 months out and flagging the month they hit 0 before they get there. Now really think about this for a second. A custom build like this used to run thousands in developer fees plus weeks waiting for someone to actually finish it. It actually got made in front of you in plain English in about a minute. That should make you pause. That should stop you for a second. The buyer is every small business owner flying blind one slow month away from missing payroll. This sells because it takes what every business owner is afraid of, which is running out of money, and puts it on a screen as a number they can act on. This is the most valuable one on list because it gives a stressed out owner something they can't buy anywhere else. They stop losing sleep over payroll, and starting out, you could sell this for just $39. If this is built out for one kind of business, a tool like this could reach $99 a copy once it's dialed in. The catch is simple: keep it to just one problem. If you make it do everything, it does nothing right. Sol builds a tool. All you're doing is handing an owner the sheet that flags the trouble before it hits. And the owner who was one slow month from missing payroll finally sees it coming. That was number 4. So all 5 were really the same 4 steps run across 5 different jobs, and your version carries judgment they can't fake because you actually did the job. And I know the cynic in you is going, so somebody pays $29, big deal. But my best single month doing this, back when the tools were far clumsier than Sol, was about $8,407.95, and it all started with one $7 sale. I've made about $176,000 at this over the years, all of it before Sol existed, so I'm not just guessing. The tool got cheaper and faster. What you actually do with it hasn't changed. There's one last step that almost nobody does, so watch this. Once Sol builds the product, you have to write the sales page that sells it too. I type in one more sentence. Write me a simple 1-page sales page for this. A headline, 3 bullet points, and a price. And Sol drafts all of it in about 30 seconds. And so now you've got the product and the page that sells it, and you've never touched a single line of code. That sentence is in the free worksheet too. The skill you've stopped seeing as a skill, that's the one you should be selling. Sol has been out for less than 2 weeks, so nobody has any real numbers on it, including me. The only real numbers I've got are from a $6 AI video I told you to save earlier, 5 products in 11 minutes. And honestly, the tool barely matters. Here's what to watch next. Thursday, I'll be dropping faceless video ideas for anyone who wants to do all of this without showing their face on camera. Everyone else is going to spend the month arguing about whether Sol is overhyped. You can be the one who quietly made something from it. And Comment Proof Builder, if you stay until the end, and you are going to make your first $3,000 with a skill you already have. Now go build the damn thing. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Most people who try to make money online don't end up making money online. Nothing here implies or guarantees success or returns of any kind.